Hello. Today, special video I make for friend. Package. Yeah, we are address removed. Came today. Ordered last week for my friend. So you know I am in country. This is good. So I make video for him. He put it on his channel for you, so you can see fun stuff, you know, fun stuff. He told me in his country many people of PC, you know, PK, political correct, you know, whiny, that's not allowed here, stuff like that. So I say in my country this is legal. I make video for you, you show, and maybe when you come to my country, visit me, friend, we will make fun together, videos and stuff like that you can have on your channel, and you can say this is made in country where it's legal. And you know that is legal on YouTube if you do it in country where it's legal, you know. So let's make this unboxing. Yes. I will give link to him. He can put it on YouTube where the stuff is from and stuff like that, you know. And then you can write to him comments, and he can ask me what the stuff costs and stuff like that. This is just fun video, showing fun stuff. You know, life is too, you know, life is too serious to not have fun. If you can't accept people not having fun, then it's your problem, you know. You have problem in your life and not people have fun. And if you don't like content, you can just, you know, go. You don't have to look. You don't have to give thumbs down. Oh, whiny, why you do like that, you know. There is other stuff. You can go look at ponies and unicorns and stuff like that. Oh, very funny. And people who like this, they look at this, okay? What is this? Much fun stuff. Okay, we start with first thing. Exploder 4, 12 pieces. Let's see how much. From Tropic, 4.5 grams of powder. Here is Exploder 5 pieces in the package. It's easier to look on then how much powder in is each. We open it. Exploder 5. It has also 4.5 grams of powder. If I understand them right, you know, I'm no expert, you know, this is only for fun, for laugh. And remember, over 18. And be safe, always precaution and stuff like that, you know. Be careful of your eyes and fingers and stuff like that. This is mini Doom Boom. P4B mini Doom Boom. We open and see. These have. It doesn't say. Let's look here. No, sorry. No more info. As I said, I'm no expert. But they're pretty, I think they're funny. Doom Boom makes very nice. Here is some Pirat from Funke. What is this? Ah, small ones. Baby Firecrackers. These are most funny if you light the whole box at one time. When I was a kid, sure, it was funny, maybe one and one, but you know, as an grown up, you know. Oh, what is this? Wow, I've never seen this. It is called Emitajveku 1.8 meter. I don't untangle it right now. You see, you have to never mind, of course. If you look, you want to look. If you don't want to look, then you already have turned the video off, you know. And remember, for my friends' sake, you give thumbs up, give a nice comment. Right, this is funny. If you don't like it's funny, stop looking, you know. Spread good vibes to people. Give love. If you don't have nothing nice to say, then say nothing at all. This looks really funny. Really, really nice. It says nothing on the Firecrackers. See if the note says anything. 14.9 grams, 120 decibel. It must be for all 14.9, but 120 decibel, that's nice bangs. Let's look further. This is some called Crash. Let's open. I think that means 12 pieces, 12 jet. Yes. They look like this. And it is well, 1.2 grams. 12 pieces. Here is a box of something called TB5 200 blue from a company called Funke. Let's open. Category P1. 200 blue, TB5. 7 grams. That's real nice. I think this would make nice boom boom. 135 decibel of boom. Then we look at what is this? Srebrana Piratka. Let's open this. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, silvery and things. Small cute ones. 0.9 grams. Bang bang. In here, Petarda Bliskova. Important, it's CE branded, you know, only nice things, you know. Don't buy that that shit. Buy from good dealers that have good things. Three grams, P2000. Much powder is gone. What is called in small things. It should be a nice bunch. Scream. Scream usually is nice. They come in many different forms, from very big things to small things. They look like this, the classic Scream. I wonder if Hollywood is whining. F Hollywood. From Funke. 5 grams. That's good. That's good. 5 grams. How many was there? 10 in that packet. Whoop. Here are some stickers. Support your local team. You know, often these sites, they are for football fans. People call them maybe hooligans, but I say no pyro, no party. So for me, you know, that's part of the culture. You know, not these, not you know, not firecrackers, bangers on football games. No, I mean flares and stuff like that. That is nice, but not because people don't get hurt there. But you know, this is not belong at football match. No. You should always be very careful. You know, when you blow up things like this, you put them down. You have long lighter, so if it's bang immediately, you always have like a piece of this. Have gloves and you fire them. Not holding hands, not play cool like that. You're not cool with, you know, with 9 fingers. You look like an inbreed, you know. So use gloves, long lighter, and put them away. And you know, move fast. And these have I don't know. Can't see. Maybe it says here 20 pieces in it. Each have don't know. Sorry. You know, I can't make video for like 40 minutes for my friend, you know, that's not okay. So if you have questions, you ask them in the comments, and he will probably, you know, give him more info. And this is the last one. Also small things. They are called, what are they called? Wonderkey? No. Okay, it's many small packages. Petarda, Bliskova, 9 grams. No, it can't be 9 grams in each. It must be 9 grams. Maybe in all of this, so each have 1.5. Yeah, of course. 1.5 grams, but that's nice. That's nice. Little small firecracker, but with a nice bang. Yeah. This is what I have in this order, and now yeah, hopefully there will be nice videos of blowing these things up. Yeah, and remember, stay safe, be careful, and only blow up these things in where it's legal, you know. So where it's legal, even if you have a license or yeah, you know, education and stuff like that. So bye bye.